Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sound like the Grinch using ElevenLabs. And you have a huge library here in ElevenLabs, but sometimes you might not find the voice. So you just come here to voices, click on the plus icon, and then click on instant voice clone. All you need is 10 seconds of audio. You can easily find these on YouTube. So this is what I got right here. Okay, downloaded this. And now I just go ahead and drag and drop the audio file right here to ElevenLabs. Make sure this one is toggled on. Remove background noise from the audio recordings. Go ahead and click on next right here. Then we just need to go ahead and choose our language and add some information, the title and description. So there we go. Choose this as English, and let's add a name and description. Make sure you also have this one toggled on, and then click on Save Voice. That we're going to use text to generate an audio file. Go ahead and click on Generate Speech. There we go. And let's go ahead and generate this. Let's see how it does. So we'll choose 11 multilingual V2. Speed, I'll keep it at 1. Stability, 50%. Okay, if you want to do more stable, only if you have 2,000, 3,000 characters of text. This one is only 183. It's okay. Similarity, make sure it's a bit high, about 75% at least. Okay. Style exaggeration, you can exaggerate it more, especially with characters like the Grinch. I would say keep it at about 50%. And similarity, I'll make it a bit higher for this one, because this can be a tricky voice, not a very generic voice. Make sure speaker boost is on, then go ahead and click on it, generate speech. Let's see what it will sound like.
ElevenLabs, scream! Let's hear it! If you can't belt out a proper wail, I'll rip the wires out myself and stuff 'em in a stocking. Impress me or get lost like last year's fruit.
That was a pretty good job. Wow. Guys, check out the link in the description unless you want the Grinch to steal your Christmas.